FinCEN Form 114A is the record of authorization to electronically file FBARs. The FBAR, or Report of Foreign Bank and Financial Accounts, is the annual report filed with FinCEN when you have a financial interest in or signature authority over foreign accounts totaling more than $10,000. Form 114A is used when an account owner wants a third party, such as a tax preparer, to file the FBAR on their behalf. You keep this form in your records. You do not submit it to FinCEN. Part 1 captures the account owner's information: last name, first name, and taxpayer identification number. If there are multiple account owners authorizing the same filer, you can list additional owners. Enter the calendar year the authorization covers. Part 2 is the authorized filer's information: their name, address, and PTIN or other identifying number. The authorized filer is the person who will electronically submit the FBAR through FinCEN's BSA e-filing system. Both the account owner and authorized filer should keep signed copies of this authorization. The actual FBAR, Form 114, must be filed electronically by April 15, with an automatic extension to October 15. The penalties for failing to file an FBAR can be severe, so file on time even if you have no reportable income from the foreign accounts. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not legal or tax advice.